So think about this. What if we could take garbage, the stuff that goes to our landfill, and turn it into something that's actually valuable, a biofuel or biofiber? Well, we're blessed by having friends from Ireland here to tell us that they've actually figured out how to do this. This is Debbie Boyd. Thank you, Debbie.
Nice to meet you, Bill.
Professor of what? I noticed that on your card. You're
Environmental Science and Waste Management.
Wow. So you know a little bit about this topic.
Just about 30 years worth.
30 years. So you started when you were 5. Is that
Five,
it?
that's
5. Yeah,
right.
okay,
Absolutely.
Good. And you're also president of a company, it's Re3?
Yes, it stands for Resource, Recycling and Recovery.
Oh, that's clever. I love that. So tell me, what do you do? What do you got?
We went for a system called an autoclave. It would be very familiar to medical people.
Okay, so I avoid doctors. So what is an autoclave?
Autoclave, it's
Yeah.
basically a steam pressure cooker.
Really?
Simple terms.
Okay.
And what we do is we introduce shredded garbage
Yep.
into the vessel, which
Yep.
is just like a little pressure cooker that you would use on top of your stove.
Right.
Except ours are 60 feet long,
Yeah.
20 feet in diameter,
Okay.
and they take a truckload of garbage every cycle.
So that's pretty sophisticated engineering. So does it work?
Absolutely. It turns the carbon and the organic part of the waste stream into a cellulose biomass fiber.
Which means what do you do with that?
It can be used to generate power,
Yeah.
both domestically and commercially.
Right.
It can be used as a replacement renewable fuel in a coal-fired power station.
Really?
And it can reduce dramatically the emissions from that power station because it's so clean. We will recycle and recover 95% of that material.
95%.
Absolutely.
So you're here in America. Tell me what you're doing.
We can sell it directly to a Waste Management Inc. or a Recology or a power station.
Yeah,
Or an incinerator that is not going to be allowed to operate because of its emissions.
Right.
If you put one of our plants in front of that incinerator, you can use it as a clean, green power plant.
Wow.
Because the fibre is so clean, there are no plastics, which means there are no chlorines, no fumars, no dioxins, no nasty questions about what's going out the chimney.
Fantastic. So how do we find you? Talk to the camera and tell us how we can find you.
Well, you can find us on the web.
Yep.
It's www.re3group.com.